Here's how you can set up a step-by-step your own OMNIXIS. You go to the page OMNIXIS, color omnixis.ai/register, create your own account, get your 14 days free trial. Now you're logged in, you can see the overview in front of you, and click on the button where it says demo data so you can explain exactly what you're looking at. You get to see the amount of agencies there, you get to see the amount of calls that's being conducted, you get to see the amount of appointments that still need to do the follow-up. You'll be able to see the amount of booked appointments. Also, you get to see the average call duration and so on and so forth. You get to see the call sentiment, which is very important in any call operation. You want to turn to positive, negative, or neutral. Or overall, you get to see the connected calls, not connected calls. If you go to the next part, you will see agents. There where you can create your own agents. And this is how you can create it basically. Have your own prompt, which you will be able to find in the documents that we share in this course. You'll be able to see how you can create your own prompt based on each industry. You will have one for real estate, you will have one for car dealerships, you have one for any type of industry, but also you will learn how you can create your own prompts because that's the art of AI, how you can create an agentic AI that can speak like a human being. You will learn all of that basically. Now moving on, there will be a campaign section, and that's how you can explain to your clients how you'll be able to blast all of their leads, to do the cold calling, to do the follow-up calls, to do campaign specific calling, and so on and so forth. These are the features that most of our clients they love so much because it saves them so much time. Now below you'll be able to see their appointments calendar. So that section is every time one of your clients has an appointment, you will appear there and you will see like which client they have an appointment with, what was the reason for it, so on. But there is a section that I missed called calls, and that's where you get to see the name of the lead and what was the conversation about. You can actually listen to the audio, you can read the conversation, and that's what makes the platform super easy to use and easy to sell as well, and easy to get results for your clients. From the agent part, you can actually play and listen to your own agent. You don't have to be perfect. The goal is to get comfortable and show the prospect a live demo. Here's a pro tip. Use the 14 days free trial to run as many demos as you can. Show real business owners how it works. The more demos you run, the more confident you will have and the easier for you to close your first deal. It's very simple. Remember, speed is your friend in this game. Don't overthink, don't wait for perfect. Set it up, start demoing, and let the platform do the heavyweight lifting for you. In the next module, I'll show you exactly how to use the system to land your very first client. Are you ready?